my gosh, look at that. Oh my god, ini kawan gue. Demi apa? Demi apa? Cantik banget. Oh my god, you will be fangirling aja. Cantik banget. Cantik kan. Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wangi. Bismillah. Let's take a look. Yay! Oh my god. Cantik banget. Oh my god, sumpah gue dapetnya bagus banget. Oh my god. Wow, keren. Oh my god. Sumpah lucu banget demi Allah, gue udah bagus banget. Oh my god, this is so cute. Yes, aku dapet yang ini. Sumpah, gue dapet yang ini, keren banget. Wah. So, and this is the sticker. Yay, aku suka ini. Lucu. Rose. Okay. This is the thank you card. Here. On the ground and gone. Oh my god. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. And then I'll just stop. I'll never stop and come to this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So cute, bye. This is the frog. Cute banget, oh my god. Love. Wee. Wow. Oh my god, this too is my favorite picture. Lucu banget. Yeah, roses are dead. Love is back. Wow, gila sih, keren banget. Puas banget gila. And this is the CD. R. And it's all. Okay, guys. Wow. Sticker. Card bonus. Yay. The lyric. And photo book. And this is all. That's all. Ta-da! And to whoever else is reading this, I recorded Gone almost 2 years ago and have been dying to share it with everyone. This song is the most poetic, heartbreaking, and honest song that I have ever recorded, and I'm proud that it's finally in your hands. I remember recording this and feeling all sorts of butterflies in my stomach because I couldn't wait for you guys to hear it. I hope you feel all the emotion that are so vulnerably captured in the song. On the Ground is a song that has truly resonated with me for the past couple of months now. It has made me sit down and think of what I really need in my life. I'm sure many of you have once questioned the same thing. And so after listening to this song, I hope you all live with a lighter heart of knowing that everything we need is already right here with us on the ground. Much love, Rosé. Ah!